Raise your right hand if you don't want to have six-figure law school debt. Now raise your other hand if you would do anything to not have it. Well, in today's video, we're going to talk about a New York mom who started an Onlyfans account so that her daughter would not have to have student loan debt. Let's talk about it. Okay, this is Marcella Alonso, 41, who makes thousands of dollars every month stripping for her devoted fan base on OnlyFans. She started to go on OnlyFans so that she can raise money to pay for her daughter's law school tuition. Her daughter's not in law school yet, but she anticipates her going to law school. She's taking the LSAT, and she wanted to have some cold cash to do so. For those of you that don't know, OnlyFans is a subscription-based account where you can have access to a person's account directly. Some people use it for voyeurism. Other people use it for just direct access. Marcella started actually as a sex worker at 18 to pay for things, and basically has graduated to doing an OnlyFans account for a particular purpose. OnlyFans launched in 2016, but it has morphed into something totally different, especially during the pandemic. Celebrities have signed up for OnlyFans. Basically, their touring and other live events have been stunted, which has probably affected their pockets. And so they're finding ways to have the fans access them and basically monetize off of the access to them. And they don't have to do necessarily voyeurism things, but can give them direct access to the particular celebrity. So Alonso is not alone in her desire to capitalize off of OnlyFans. She brings new, definition to the I don't care what it takes, I'll do anything for my kids. She knows that law school is going to be quite a hefty debt to have, and she doesn't want to have her daughter suffer through that. There are other ways for paying for law school. I'm not here to judge anyone. I'm just reporting the news, but there are other ways to pay for law school outside of loans. There are scholarships available. You can actually do other kind of jobs. Granted, she's making $100 for every 20-minute video call, so I don't know any job probably that will pay that much. But like I said, I'm just stating the facts that law school is an expensive venture, and sometimes it's not always a good return on the investment. So if you actually have the cash to pay for it, that would be the better thing to do. And so she's giving her daughter opportunity not to have be saddled with six-figure debt. The average debt among law students, graduates in the last year have been over in the low six figures. And they're trying to figure out ways how to pay it. I know some of them may take jobs that they may feel like sacrifice their morals to just pay the law school debt off. And, morals, I guess, is fluid because it can be different kind of ways. You sacrificing your family life and things of that nature just so that you can pay back this law school debt. So I don't know, like I said, I'm not here to judge, but finding ways of paying for law school debt, people have gotten very creative about it. If you're new here and you haven't seen my other video, check it out. I talk about the public service loan forgiveness program, which is another way you can pay for your law school debt. If you go into a nonprofit or government service after law school, the government will pay for your student loans after you've made 120 payments, so equivalent to 10 years of paying. That would be another way of not having to start an OnlyFans account or having to have a job that perhaps you don't really like just to pay for law school. So good luck, Alonso. Good luck to your daughter who's going to be starting law school soon. Hopefully we can find other ways to not make education so expensive.